5 high-protein lunch recipes to help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Want to reduce your weight? With 5 delectable and high-protein lunch recipes, we've got you covered. These nutrient-dense meals are made to keep you full and help you achieve your weight loss objectives. Consider including some of these high-protein lunch alternatives in your meal plan for a filling and well-balanced meal that will help you stay on track. With these delicious meals, let's begin your weight loss journey. Number 1. Quick Chickpea Spinach Salad, 390 calories. This salad is a nutritious choice for weight loss as it combines protein-rich chickpeas, leafy greens from spinach, and an array of colorful vegetables. The high protein content in chickpeas helps promote satiety and maintain muscle mass while supporting weight loss. Additionally, the fiber in chickpeas and vegetables aids digestion and helps control hunger. These are the specific ingredients for the quick chickpea and spinach salad. 2 cups baby spinach, 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 1 small cucumber diced, 1 small red onion thinly sliced, 1 bell pepper diced, cherry tomatoes halved, feta cheese crumbled, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. To make the quick chickpea spinach salad, here are the process. Number 2. Protein fried rice, 400 calories. Protein fried rice is a great option for weight loss as it provides a good balance of protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. The chicken offers lean protein, while the mixed vegetables contribute essential nutrients and fiber. Choosing quinoa or cauliflower rice instead of regular rice reduces the calorie content and increases the overall nutritional value. Here are the specific ingredients for protein fried rice. 1 cup cooked quinoa or cauliflower rice, 4 ounces of cooked chicken breast diced, 1 cup mixed vegetables such as carrots, peas, bell peppers, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder. Optional toppings: green onions, sesame seeds. To make the protein fried rice, here is the process. Number 3. Shrimp with peppers, 250 calories. Shrimp is an excellent source of lean protein, which helps build and repair muscles, promote satiety, and boosts metabolism. Bell peppers are low in calories and high in vitamins and antioxidants. Adding a burst of color and nutrition to the dish, this recipe is not only delicious and satisfying, but also supports your weight loss goals by providing a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized. Here are the ingredients for shrimp with peppers. 8 ounces shrimp peeled and deveined, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper sliced, 1 green bell pepper sliced, 1 small onion sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. To make shrimp with peppers, here are the process. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Tuna and Potato, 310 calories. Tuna is an excellent source of lean protein, which helps promote satiety and supports muscle growth and repair. Potatoes provide carbohydrates for energy and are a good source of fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. This recipe offers a balanced combination of protein, carbs, and healthy fats from the mayo and lemon dressing. It's a satisfying and convenient lunch option that can aid in weight loss while providing essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for tuna and potato. 1 can of tuna drained, 2 medium-sized potatoes boiled and diced, 1/4 cup diced celery, 1/4 cup diced red onion, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. You can use a light or low-fat version for healthier option. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. For optional additions, chop fresh herbs such as parsley or dill, diced pickles or mustard. To make tuna and potato, here are the process. Number 5. Salad Niçoise with tuna, 330 calories. Salad Niçoise is a well-balanced meal that provides protein from the tuna, eggs and olives along with fiber and essential vitamins and minerals from vegetables. It is a filling and satisfying option that can help you stay full and satisfied throughout the day. The combination of flavors and textures in this salad makes it a delicious choice for a high-protein lunch while supporting your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for salad Niçoise with tuna. 1 can of tuna drained, mixed salad greens, hard-boiled egg sliced, cherry tomatoes halved, green beans blanched and cool, Kalamata olives, red onion thinly sliced, canned anchovy fillets, fresh basil leaves for optional. And here are the process in making salad Niçoise with tuna. And that concludes our list of 5 high-protein lunch recipes to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any high-protein lunch recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!